Hello everyone! Welcome to the Jackson 100% channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable Gemini on your Android phone and bring back Google Assistant. Many users have noticed that Gemini replaced Google Assistant without warning. As a result, some voice commands no longer work as before. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off Gemini, restore Google Assistant, and improve its performance. Open Settings. Grab your phone and open Google. At the top right, tap your profile picture. Then, tap Settings. Here you'll find all the options related to your account and the assistant. Go to the Gemini option. In the settings, look for the Gemini option and tap it. You'll see that this option controls Google's new Assistant interface. But if you prefer the old Assistant, we're going to change that right now. Go to Digital Assistant Settings inside the Gemini menu. Scroll down until you find Google Digital Assistant. Tap it. This is where your phone chooses which assistant to use by default. Disable Gemini. In this section, you'll see an option called Default Assistant or Preferred Assistant. If Gemini is enabled, tap it and select Google Assistant. And that's it. From now on, your phone will use the classic Google Assistant. Check the change to confirm. Hold down the Home button or say, "Hey Google." If you see the blue Google Assistant logo, everything's working perfectly. If not, restart your phone and repeat the steps. Improve Google Assistant. Now that you've restored it, here are a few useful settings. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice and Speech, and enable Enhanced Voice Recognition. Disable voice recordings if you want more privacy. And under Routines, create your own commands. For example, say, "Hey Google, start my day," and it will give you the weather and read the news automatically. Now you know how to disable Gemini and bring back Google Assistant on your Android phone. It's simple, quick, and you'll get back a more stable, smoother assistant. If this video helped you, subscribe to Jackson 100%. Leave a like and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next Android tips. Also, tell me in the comments, do you prefer Gemini or Google Assistant? Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Jackson 100%.